Hi, this is Chris. Today I will talk about how you can control a wearable device from the cloud via a mobile phone. So I will create a simple iPhone app that subscribes to an MQTT broker topic and set an LED accordingly. Just as we can send sensor data from a wearable to the cloud, as shown in my previous video, we can also let the wearable be controlled via the cloud. Similar to how a flower could be used to visualize ticket sales, which I've shown in another video, I will show you how a wearable can be used as a similar indicator. Let's create an iPhone app that subscribes to an MQTT broker topic and change the color of a wearable LED. To do that, you need an iPhone 4S or later, as well as register as a paying iOS developer. And you need a light blue bean, which is an Arduino compatible microcontroller with a built-in Bluetooth that has a coin cell battery to be constantly on and connected. Now it's time to open Xcode and create a new project as a single view iOS application, and start by adding the framework Core Bluetooth. You also need to add the light blue bean SDK and MQTT-kit libraries to the project. Then you should update the viewcontroller.h file to look as shown here. At first we import the headers for the libraries on lines 1 to 3. Then we add delegates for the bean on line 5 and define properties for the MQTT client, bean manager and bean on lines 7 to 9. Then we need to update the implementation part of the viewcontroller.m file to look like shown here. And first we set up the bean manager on lines 4 to 5. Then we set up the MQTT client to use the device unique identifier as the client identity on line 6. When the bean manager is on, which is checked on line 11, we start looking for beans on line 13, and when a bean is found, we connect to it on line 19. When connected to the bean, we create a message handler on line 27 that will respond to a subscription event by converting the message to a color on lines 29 to 32 and setting the LED of the light blue bean on line 33. Then we connect to the MQTT broker on line 35, and when connected, we subscribe to the topic on line 39. When you run the code on an iPhone, you can test it by publishing to the topic by opening the terminal and enter the command at the top right. The cool thing is that if you set the iPhone app project to allow background Bluetooth operation, the app will continue to run when the app is in the background and even if the phone is locked. So the LED can be continuously indicator of anything happening on the internet. So that's how you can control a wearable from the cloud using a mobile phone. And with that, I wish you the best of luck with your Internet of Things projects. Thank you